Now that we've configured data history, you'll see that we again changed our configuration checklist, went from 25% to 28% configured. We can select that again. We'll go in and we'll see what's next on the list of things that should be configured. The next setting that I want to change is around defined applications. Scrutinizer does define applications based off of port numbers for the well-known ports. Think of the port numbers like 22 is going to be defined as SSH traffic, or port 443 will be defined as HTTPS traffic. If I wanted to get a little bit more granular with the applications that we have running in our network, we have the ability to define those applications. I'm going to navigate back to the admin menu. I'm going to go under definitions and then applications. Now that we're on the applications page, I'm going to add a new application. I'm going to name this application Scrutinizer. When I add rules, when Scrutinizer, the system, sees traffic based on an IP address and a port number, it will automatically tag that traffic as the specific defined application. So in our case, we have Scrutinizer is running on 10.42.16.150. I'm going to add that as a rule. And then I'm going to add the port number of 443. Now I have two rules assigned to this application to say if Scrutinizer sees traffic that is destined for 10.42.16.150 and the port number in use is 443, we will automatically define that as Scrutinizer traffic in the reporting engine. So let's click save, and now we have our application defined. I'm going to do one more. This one is PRTG. We have also PRTG is running in our network. The IP address is 10.1.70.2. I'm going to add that rule, and the port number is 443. Now that I have the rules applied, I'm going to click save, and that application is now defined. So now when I'm viewing traffic inside of reporting, instead of seeing traffic destined for 10.42.16.150 and the application is tagged as HTTPS, it will actually be tagged as Scrutinizer traffic. Now that we have our applications defined, I'm going to exit this classic view. I'm going to navigate back to the dashboard tab to view our configuration checklist. Now that applications are defined, we went from 28% to 32% configured.